It is, because I know I'm fooling the audience when whoever has seen that picture. It is not, it is nowhere close to how I look in real. I have this stomach who's bloated all the time, 24 hours. So looking like that was my achievement. With time it has become so into the moment, you know. We just now, earlier thoda sa effort marna padta tha because we weren't talking. Because we were like biggest of enemies and we wouldn't see each other eye to eye. So उस time पे it was difficult to manage us both together. हमने वो time भी देखा है जहाँ पे I would look him and say, okay. About censorship, I don't have much to contribute to this because obviously, I mean, if something is going way too haywire, I think it creates a controversy. But OTT is OTT, and let the medium be, man. You cannot talk about, oh, I will not remove clothes for the, oh, I will not do intimate.
Hello guys, welcome to Bollywood Bubble. Today I have one of my most favorite actresses, Nia Sharma, with me today. Thank you, Nia, firstly.
Thank you, Bhavna. Thanks a lot. I'm so happy to be here.
Firstly, you look gorgeous, I have to acknowledge that. I don't know how she maintains this body despite lockdown, despite everything else. Bikini bhi pehen liya. I think with Bikini, you must know that we are talking about Jamai 2.0, which she is going to be starring in.
Wow, how did you lead in this? Man, this is so cool, yeah.
इसे कहते हैं strategy.
Correct, very
But
well.
tell me, I have to ask you, we saw the bikini pictures. It went viral everywhere, right? But
Yeah.
tell me, how did you maintain that weight? Because I know of people who have been only gaining weight during lockdown.
So I stopped eating 2 nights before that scene. I get psyched out and everything, and I very well in advance knew that these scenes are going to be there, and you know, these are somehow for Jamai, these are very synonymous, like how you plugged bikini and the show together. I think this is how it is actually. So every time I am on the show, I think expected to look nice and wear bikini. So this time this was not one, there were two. So yes, I went crazy. Yes, I was bad. I did not eat 2 nights and also did a few totka in the morning.
What totka?
I'm sorry. No, nothing. I just went without eating. And the first thing I did that morning when I woke up, I looked at my stomach. I was like, okay. But you know, this is called KLPDs. The day the scene was aligned, I got all dressed up. You know, Shura, she just painted my body like a bronze goddess, and we were like just shining like a mirror that day, and we were so happy. We go on the beach like mera scene hoga, sab hoga. You know what my director tells me? Nia, I know you haven't eaten. I know you've been working hard, but the sun has been covered by the cloud today.
Shit.
I don't think we can shoot this scene today. I said, okay, sir. I understand. And I know I understand. Within me, I was going to kill like the entire crowd there, everybody, and I was scream out of my wits, eat the entire food. I don't know what I wanted to do that night, but I said, okay, sir. Okay, Aram, sir, I can imagine what it means to have cloud covering the sun today. You know, वो भी Goa is known to have sun और जला दे आपकी skin को, but that very day, मतलब मैंने अपनी जान दे दी उसको ऐसे dress up. So this is what goes behind the scenes, you know what I mean? So you may have, but you know what I did? I clicked pictures for Instagram, bro! We nailed it!
I think कुछ तो होना चाहिए.
तो मैं ऐसे नहीं जाने देती भैया, हम सुबह 6 बजे के उठे हुए, क्या पागल है क्या? So we didn't let the moment go. We didn't get disheartened. We went aside and we clicked our own pictures, which went viral. Yes.
Yes, it did. I mean, I remember watching it and I was like, how is she maintaining this even during the lockdown? And I'm sure a lot of people had the same question.
Yeah.
But I also know that she goes through these weird diets before shoots where she starves herself completely, which is not recommended. By the way.
These kind of stunts should not be tried at home.
Yeah. But tell me, what were the other challenges? Of course, because looking that fit is very difficult also, right?
It is. I know. It is. Because I know I'm fooling the audience when whoever has seen that picture. It is not, it is nowhere close to how I look in real. I have this stomach who's bloated all the time, 24 hours. So looking like that was my achievement. I swear to God, I was so proud of myself.
And she works really hard for it, so it's not easy.
I don't go to the gym. I don't wake up at 5 a.m. I don't. Don't lie. Why lie to people?
I want people to take inspiration that she's really
But कौन सी inspiration दूँ यार मैं क्या झूठ बोलूँ? That I wake up at 5 and go to the gym? I don't. मुझे मौत आती है उठने में यार सुबह. One day I will. You lost so much weight. Damn.
Talk about that.
ठीक है, done. Today it's about
I have taken inspiration from her. When I see your body on Instagram, I'm just like, उतना तो कभी नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन चलो लेट्स ट्राई थोड़ा बहुत.
Nahi, I'm sure you can see your past interviews and everybody who's met you, they're all going to tell you that you're half your size, which is a good thing. Not that you were not adorable earlier also, you were, but today,
Yeah.
like hotter.
A lot more.
Hotter.
But tell me, was there any other challenges that you faced while shooting? Because this is supposedly, in a very conventional way, we say it's a bold move when it comes to web. I know you have been trolled a number of times for being bold.
Yeah, I was so bored of trolling that I have brought it to a level where people are bored of trolling me. You know, so I wanted to bring it to that level where you troll to the level of, to the extent you can go, and then now they're all bored. Now nobody trolls, matlab they don't write about it. When abhi मैं पहले troll होती थी, like every article would be like troll, but this is such a boring word now. Like people need to move on from there.
Now it's Nia Sharma hits back.
Correct. Hits back भी वो भी boring हो गया. वो हो गया ना.
Savage reply.
Comes back with her sartorial
savage.
choices and all that. So I think I've bored you guys enough with these things.
What is most funny is that her Instagram is actually filled with trolls where it looks like she's trolling herself. I mean, that's the best mechanism ever, right? Like, तुम मुझे ट्रोल करो उससे पहले मैं खुद को ट्रोल करूँ.
Yeah, because it's with everybody. You know, any the biggest of the biggies and the lowest of the lows, everybody, you know, comes under that radar. So we don't need to take it seriously, and I don't take it seriously. मतलब मैं इतनी important अपने आप को नहीं समझती हूँ that okay, oh my God, I've been trolled.
But tell me, when you are, I mean, we saw the trailer, it looks really nice, right?
That was the idea. It should look nice. That was their
but
idea.
you always look nice. उसमें कुछ different नहीं है, right? But tell me, because your chemistry with Ravi is something which is much loved since Jamai Raja, right? Does it add a pressure on you as well to continue that streak? Because people expect a lot when both of you are together on screen.
Actually, with time it has become flawless. With time it has become so into the moment. You know, we just now, earlier थोड़ा सा effort मारना पड़ता था because we weren't talking, because we were like biggest of enemies and we wouldn't see each other eye to eye. So उस time पे it was difficult to manage us both together. हमने वो time भी देखा है जहाँ पे I would look him and say, okay, you know, this was my reaction and so was he. You know, अब आज where we stand up, very serious. TV में.
अच्छा.
So that we got famous because of our fight, right? The entire articles and you know how Jamai Raja. So within few months we were not talking, and this went out because I wouldn't give interviews together, we wouldn't do things together. So I have seen that time, and today why I keep recollecting. इसलिए मैं बार-बार every interview or whoever asks me anything, I'm saying I'm recollecting and recalling that time because it's so. We have gone through all stages and you know so many emotions, so many rides together. So as friends we are the thickest today because we've seen it all, man, from being the worst of enemies to the best of friends. We've seen it all, and Ravi has grown, I think he's grown way too mature to tremendously well, and he looks hot today.
We saw his pictures with all those abs and everything.
Yeah, he's hot. वो अपना back दिखाता रहता है, but I'm saying his front is equally hot. You can always go for that. But yeah, I mean today it's that level of comfort where I can talk about him in flirtatious manner, but he knows that you know it's just for fun. So yeah, that. So we've grown on those levels, and so has our same off-screen chemistry is reflecting on screen, and it's been flawless, out and out. I think we talk without talking.
Wow.
Yeah.
We talk without talking. That's a quote that everyone
can
be. But tell me now, because obviously there are a little bit of kissing scenes involved in the series.
Bit
right?
of?
I remember last season when there was a kissing scene and Ravi had said that he was a little nervous while doing that because I think
he behaved like he behaved like वो जो arranged marriage के बाद a new bride is in the house and she doesn't know how to go in my husband's room. वो ऐसे behave कर रहा था last time. But
this time it wasn't.
No, this time he was all out, man. That's why I said, you know, the best kisser quote. You remember?
Ah, nice.
No, this time Ravi was fine. I was fine. I think we both were too much at ease with each other, and yeah.
So what is the kind of response that you have been getting per se when it comes to the trailer? Because I'm sure people must have been saying, they are excited for the story, they're looking forward to it. Apart from that, what are the kind of compliments that you have been receiving?
यही है, मतलब the show is all about looking lavish, bigger, grand. So वो सब हर एक चीज़ that they had an idea of to get it back on air, it is looking like that, and we were also very much at ease with the fact that yes, it's looking what we had planned, and you know they've shot it at amazing locations in South Goa. It was so beautiful. Every frame was like so magnanimous and everything. So I loved shooting for it. I won't say I worked hard or you know I am
ये
Nia
कभी
on
नहीं
screen.
बोलती हैं
I
वो।
wouldn't, right?
Yeah,
Because I
you never
didn't,
say
you know,
that.
because Roshni and Nia are like same people. अभी मैं रोशनी की तरह भी, this is how Roshni dresses, this is how Nia probably dresses. So I have been the same girl when it comes to Jamai 2.0. So it's been more like a paid holiday in Goa and in other locations, and I've had the best fun, you know. And yeah, but I worked hard, yeah.
Yeah, very subtly she put that because she doesn't want to focus on the part that where she's working
Work
hard.
hard,
But we
yes.
know she does.
It should look
let's be
effortless.
honest here.
Yeah.
But tell me something. I remember the last time we spoke and you had mentioned that Bollywood, you are open to work irrespective of the medium, right? Has anything changed since then? Have there been offers coming in when it comes to films? Are you considering any?
Yeah. मतलब वो उस टाइम भी था, but आज भी है. But I'm just not okay to go out there and do a movie because it's a movie or because I'll be known that I'm. So those offers were not very fruitful, and I knew those were not going to do take me to a different level. And वो same ही हुआ. Whoever has done that movie, so I'm glad about my decisions, and it should lead you further, right? It should not be for the sake of doing something or for the sake of doing a film. It comes my way, it is good enough. As yes, I will do it, but yes, I have said no to a lot of projects, and I'm okay about it. I'm very
Do
glad.
you regret saying no to anything?
No, they didn't work. They did not work. अब मैं नाम लूँ दूंगी वो सीधा ऐसा है कि भैया ये थी.
Of course.
I can't.
But tell me, are you also looking forward to more web? Do you think the content on web is changing eventually? Because now there's of course a lot more freedom. But recently, people were fearing कि इस पे भी censorship आ सकती है because a lot of talk was happening, right? Do you fear there might be censorship on this?
No, I mean I don't have time to think about a lot of things like these, but I feel it's just one medium. मतलब हर चीज़ पे आके censorship नहीं. OTT is OTT, and there is barely anything that they haven't shown. अब तुम वही 100 चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज को चली वाला केस हो जाएगा कि अब मतलब 50,000 वेब सीरीज हैं जिसमें मतलब गालियों की बहुत छार हुई पड़ी है. लोग मतलब लेटे पड़े हैं गालियाँ दे के. यानी there are series now मतलब गालियाँ and web series are synonymous, right? वो उस लेवल पे चला गया है. I'm saying we can move back from there because boring हो जाता है एक टाइम के बाद. But about censorship, I don't have much to contribute to this because obviously, I mean, if something is going way too haywire, I think it creates a controversy. But OTT is OTT, and let the medium be, man. You cannot talk about, oh, I will not remove clothes for the, oh, I will not do intimate. I hear many interviews where I'm not okay doing intimate, I'm not doing okay doing this. But I don't know, I don't understand these things, you know. You act, right? You act on screen. How do you judge that? Matlab, every question cannot be revolving around how intimate scenes were, how comfortable were you with intimate scenes. The most boring question ever. It was just a part of the scene, like how I did a crime scene, or maybe I laughed, or maybe I was in bed, or maybe I ate in a scene, or maybe I played. It was as simple as it's a scene, right? So yeah.
But lastly, if I may ask, what is it, because you have spent almost a decade, over a decade in fact, in the industry.
Decade, yeah.
Tell me what motivates you even today to be on that set, because you have dabbled with almost everything that you could do. You have done a daily soap, you have done web series, you have dealt with all the criticism plus appreciation in that journey. Of course, a film awaits, but that will also happen very, very soon, I'm hoping. But what is it that motivates you, Nia, to be on that set and be yourself? Because it is very, I have told you this before and I'll repeat, that it is very difficult to be this outspoken person in an industry which usually expects you to be diplomatic in a certain way and still be on the top.
But I've never really faced any kind of problems because of this, because I don't think I've said anything to hurt somebody, so that's pretty basic. But coming back to what motivates me, can I tell you something very honestly? What motivates me is that my life will only revolve around set. This is the only thing that I've learned to do. This is the only thing that I enjoy doing. You make me do 24 hours, you make me work 24 hours, I will. Although I won't, 12 hours ke baad namaste. But I'm saying this is the only thing I understand. You ask me to go make tea in the kitchen, मेरे को मौत आ जाती है. I don't know, something dies within me. Not that I can't do kitchen work, not that I don't know how to cook. Bro, when I've done that, मुझे लगा मेरी जिंदगी खत्म हो गई उस दिन. And that's when I realized, no, I am the best person out there when I'm on a set, when I'm working. So मुझे उस दिन समझ आया that this is what I'm born to do, and I want to die working. Like I want to collapse working. मुझे काम ही करना है. मुझे चाय नहीं बनानी यार. मेरे को मतलब I don't enjoy. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? तुम
yeah.
समझ गए? मुझे वो
Yeah,
बहुत टफ लगता
yeah,
है.
yeah.
मुझे काम करना easy लगता है. Like I like shooting. I like being facing the
front, yeah,
camera.
yeah.
You know, I'm very subtle. It doesn't. मतलब I don't get tired. Yeah, I don't.
I think yeah, kitchen
You know,
makes you try.
Kitchen makes me dead. Kitchen makes me.
I think the expression says it all.
Yeah. And मैं बना रही थी जिस दिन चाहे मुझे उस दिन realize हुआ वहाँ खड़े खड़े. चाय मैं बहुत अच्छी बनाती हूँ.
Really? I think you should just invite us for tea,
I
even if
will.
it gives you a little bit of moth.
Once in a while, it's fine, but I realized very hard. I mean, it may sound funny to you right now or many other, but I swear that day while making tea, I realized this was the biggest truth of my life.
That you can't do this.
I can't. मुझे काम करना है. I want to be on a set. I want to face the camera. I want to fight with everybody who makes me wait after 12 hours. So मेरे को यही करना है यार. मेरे को लड़ मर के काम करना है और मुझे काम करना है.
And I think that is why.
And that is why I have continued to do this because I didn't
Yeah.
want to sit at home. I didn't want to. I just kept taking, and I will continue to do so. Yeah.
And we hope that you continue to work, and we get to see you soon in a movie. ये मेरी I'm
What is this
manifesting
fuss
this,
about
so,
it?
you know.
Yeah, I
No,
will.
I want you to be out there on the big screen as well. आपने सब कुछ कर लिया है तो big screen.
I'll
पे
make you
try
proud
करेंगे.
one day.
I am
Mama.
already proud. I'm already proud of you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thanks.
And all the very best for Jamine 2.0.